If you have labels on bottles like this that are really glued on there and you want to use those bottles for, say, a project. Now here at Historical Recreations, I've often made bottles into potion bottles, and one of the reasons is that I have to recycle the bottles. And using them, I'm going to show you by getting a container of lukewarm water, and you can always add more hot water to it to bring it to the right temperature. You are just going to put the bottle in there, let it fill up like this, and let that soak overnight. And we'll see what that looks like in the morning. Okay, it has been a day. So this is what we have now. Let's see if these are going to come off. Whoa. Like a dream. Look at that. They are just peeling off, no problem. So if you left them in there a little bit longer, they'd probably come off even easier than that. This is amazing. Look at that. Just removing the labels from bottles. Okay. And what I'm going to do, look at that one. That one just slid right off. Once you have these removed, you're probably going to wonder, what about this? Okay, so I want to talk about removing the sticker residue from plastics and also the sticker residue from glass that's left over from your soaking project. Now, there's a lineup of 3 products you can use. This is ethanol, which is rubbing alcohol. You can use fingernail polish remover and or WD-40. Now the lineup is 1, 2, 3. The reason is you should always work with the rubbing alcohol first. It is the, most gentlest of the products to remove the label. If you can remove it with the rubbing alcohol, success, wonderful. The next one is a fingernail polish remover for more tougher stickiness. And the final is WD-40. You must always use these products in a well-ventilated place. Where I am right now is a well-ventilated place. And I am also wearing a pair of gloves, plastic gloves, while using these products. I'm also using some little cotton pads right now. And I'm going to demonstrate how to take off or test a product to see if you can get the stick off. So let's use the glass and let's use the rubbing alcohol first. I also have a mask on. So I have gloves on, a mask on, and I'm in a very well ventilated place. I'm using the rubbing alcohol and we are successful. Wow, it's coming off. Yes. Now, it's going to take a little bit of elbow grease to take that off with the rubbing alcohol, but I'm quite sure that that will just slide right off. That's wonderful. That came right off. Okay, beautiful. All right, now, that's on glass. Glass is easy. Plastic, that's a difficult subject. Now, I would probably use the rubbing alcohol first on the plastic, but I know for a fact that plastic gum is a little bit more difficult to take off than rubbing alcohol. So we're going to stop a little tiny bit. I only have put the cap back on. Safety first. Let's see if this will come off with some nail care remover. It looks like a no, but this does work often on printed materials. So let's do one more, and let's use a WD-40 now to get that off. Okay, so let's try the WD-40. You want to use a teeny tiny little squirt of this. Keep away. I'm also wearing goggles right now, glasses. Okay, spray a little bit on there. Oh. A little bit more on there. Let it soak in for about a moment. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Yeah, it's working off. Yep, okay, it's coming off. So this is one way to remove. Make a nice clean one. Shoot a little bit more on there. Oh my gosh, there you go. And voila, look at that. A clean bottle. There you go. We removed the stick. Get an up close view that we took that sticker right off. Okay, we have another one over here on the side.